Hi, thanks for stopping in today. Mark Tuchara, President of Gateway Limousines. I wanted to talk to you today a little bit about what's been top of everybody's mind, the coronavirus, how it affects you, and what we're doing to protect you as we continue to operate. First of all, I want to let you know that it's business as usual here at Gateway Limousines. So we have not suspended service to any airports or from any arriving flights, and we're just following the guidance of the Centers for Disease Control and any travel advisories that may be issued. But what we are doing proactively that we feel is going to be a benefit to our customers is we've deployed now the use of these Clorox wipes, which are capable of killing 99.9% of viruses and bacteria. So basically, after every ride is completed, when the vehicle returns to base, the passenger compartments of the vehicles are now being cleaned in addition to our normal cleaning processes. All these surfaces are being wiped down with these wipes, and we feel that will give us the highest level of protection that we can for both you, our valued customers, and our employees. As we move forward through these uncertain times, we want you to know that your safety is our number one priority. Safety is usually thought about in the transportation business as, maintaining a safe vehicle, brakes, tires, the mechanical conditions of our vehicles, and that's certainly always been our focus. But now in the world that we're living in with this new virus being part of everybody's concerns, we want you to feel safe in our vehicles from a health standpoint. So we've deployed these. They're available at our facility at every cleaning station. So again, when these vehicles return to base, the passenger compartments are being wiped down with these Clorox wipes to continue to help protect your safety and your health.